how do you sell better? What's some of the advice for selling better? Well, the first and most important advice that I actually learned from Grant Cardone is to change your mindset from, ha, gotcha, to the mindset of I'm serving you, right? When you're selling, you're offering something of value to the other person. If you are selling and the thing that you're selling, you don't believe in it, it's shit, it doesn't give value, your life is gonna be miserable, man. You're gonna feel miserable because it's gonna be horrible. But if you're genuinely selling something that is amazing and that is great for the other party, then it's your duty, it's your obligation to do it because their life is gonna be better by getting what you have to offer. So this is like conviction that you have an amazing thing. So you need to believe, you need to actually start from a standpoint of like, yeah, what I'm doing is great for the world. What I'm selling is great for other people, right? When I'm selling a video, for example, to a company, dude, I know this is a fucking deal for them. This is amazing because these are super high quality videos, right? They have a very high chance of ranking in SERP. I'm 100% certain that these videos that they buy are gonna drive them conversions, like 100% over the next few years. So it's a great deal for them, even though they might not know it. You know, a lot of these managers, man, they don't understand. They don't understand that YouTube is a search engine. They don't understand that YouTube let the videos rank, that, you know, each video is a standalone digital asset. So it's up to me on the call to educate them and to explain to them, like saying, yo, you need these videos, man. This is like an untapped opportunity right now. You need to invest into this because it will be great for your marketing efforts. It will be great for your ROI. That's kind of your job, right? Your job as a salesperson is to educate the other person and explain to them why the thing that you have to offer, they need it, right? They want it.